Daddy's trying to build. No. Doesn't go there.
He's trying to help. Let him put it on.
You're crazy. No. 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 Yeah, that's you.
You boys need to stop. Okay, stop. Let's build. What are you making, Daddy?
I'm trying to make my alligator. But if somebody here who's fat and named Tyson does not like me.
What are you making, baby? What are you making? Hey. Go help Daddy. Cheese. Cheese. Go help Daddy.